Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Meghalaya Softball Association hagakar atrik no para arajar pausau kalapinlang ke foot senior softball state level championship men and women bala Jingïalehkai naga Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jangka sarkar Meghalaya ya kabar pinlang hamaran Jingïalehkai football jangka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School halaj imkra haga niga sngila sa kilang do principal jangka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School u Father Anthony Kharkongor belalong kumukongsan ringkat lang mur president jangka Meghalaya Softball Association Dr. Amanwar barkiwe Kikin hon kiblaya shimbenta haga niga limpong Jingïalehkai kikin thop na East Khasi Hills District na Southwest Khasi Hills District na Eastern West Khasi Hills District na West Jante Hills District na West Khasi Hills District na Riboy District ba na East Jante Hills District haga Jingïalehkai haga liang jong kishin rang kikin hon Jingïalehkai jong East Khasi Hills District kala job ya kikin hon Jingïalehkai na Riboy District ba haga liang jong kikin thai ka West Jante Hills kala job persha ya ka Southwest Khasi Hills District
Father, it is with deep pride that you have accepted to grace this opening ceremony at a very informal and short notice that we encountered with you just a few days back. A round of applause to Father, please, to everyone. And may the best team win. The officials of the Meghalaya Softball Association who have worked tirelessly to make this event a success. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you for your hard work and dedication that you have shown through all these weeks and months for the preparation of this event.
First of all, whoever comes here, being a sports person, I can never say no. I'm a lover of so many things, sports. Yeah, I love basketball, badminton, football, cricket, hockey, skating, chess. So many things we have here. And now, having seen the softball, I would immediately also, by next academic year, will be starting here in our school. So, I'm in that way, I was quite happy to welcome you all to be, to be part of this tournament and to see that you are all playing well. This event promises to be an exciting display of skill teamwork, and sportsmanship. First and foremost, I would like to therefore extend from the management committee and all the teachers and staff of St. Anthony's a warm welcome to you, all of you, dear participating teams, officials and spectators and organizers. Your presence here today is a testament of your passion for the sport, and we are thrilled to have you as part of the sports persons for these few days. And to our participants, I urge you to give your best to play with integrity and to respect your opponents. Remember, winning is not just about the final score. It's about the journey you made, the friendship you form, and the lessons you learn along the way. And to our officials and volunteers, I express my deepest gratitude for your tireless efforts in making this tournament a success. I know you've had sleepless nights preparing so many things which nobody could see and nobody could observe, but yet behind the scene you've been doing this with dedication and commitment to excel the discipline of softball. So as you begin this tournament, let us remember the true spirit of sportsmanship. Let us compete with honor, with humility and respect for one another. Let us make this tournament a celebration of friendship, teamwork, and community. And without further ado, it is my pleasure to have you here these few days. I'm sure, we do not have the best of things to provide you, but the warm of heart to welcome you in our place. So in whatever, you may face difficulties here and there, you are always free to welcome. You are always free to let me know the things that you are in need of. And from henceforth, we continue to work together. We continue to work together. I got very positive comments from our parents of the students. They said, "Father, we really love that game. It's so fantastic, so easy, so nice, so thrill. Why don't you start?" I said, "I'm already starting today. That's why I brought the participants." They said, "Oh yes, we will send more children." I said, "Don't worry, we will see." So see, the people who are watching also for the first time, perhaps they have not had the idea what is this softball. Even when I was a child, we used to play. We call it a baseball, something like that. Yeah, it's almost same. No. So we have the one stick and somebody throw and hit. Then we run from one point to another point. I did not see so far. I have not watched your game, but somewhat similar, I suppose. So thank you for being part of this tournament. And you are not only just welcoming. I'm not just welcoming you here today, but from time to time, you are most welcome to visit the school, to join, to play, to practice, and we work together with the coach and the organizers for a better collaboration so that our young people will be formed.
Remember, jersey number 4, successful. Jersey number 5, Watram. Jersey number 10, Krishna. Jersey number 13, Sumar Bha. From Mokarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills. Jersey number 4, Devanshan Milim. 16, Donbok. Jersey number 5.
Batting feeling, batting feeling. Now won by Mokarwat. All the best. Mokarwat.
That's a very high ball from the picture. Terus,